In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not showing new emails. If your inbox looks stuck or suspiciously quiet, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get messages flowing again in just a few minutes. We'll start by making sure Outlook itself is running cleanly, then check a couple of common settings that can hide or filter new mail, and finally force a manual refresh. First, completely close and relaunch Outlook using Task Manager. Sometimes Outlook keeps a background process running that prevents new messages from appearing. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the Processes list, look for Outlook or Outlook EXE. Select it and choose End Task. If you see more than one Outlook process, end each one. Wait a few seconds to let Windows release any locked files, then reopen Outlook. This simple reset clears minor glitches that can block updates. Next, check the focused inbox. Outlook often separates incoming messages into two tabs, Focused and Other, to highlight what it thinks is important. At the top of your message list, click Other and see if your missing emails are parked there. If you find them, you can right-click a message and choose to move it to Focused, so future messages from that sender land where you expect. If you prefer everything in one place, open the View tab and adjust the focused inbox setting so messages aren't split between tabs. That way, you won't miss emails that Outlook classifies as less important. Now confirm you're not filtering out messages by accident. In your inbox, click the filter icon and make sure all is selected. Clear any unread only or date range filters and remove any active search that could be narrowing what you see. Also verify your sort order. Sorting by something unusual, like category or flagged, can make new mail appear out of place. Go back to the View tab so we can finish by forcing a refresh. Click Sync. This triggers Outlook to pull the newest messages from the server and reconcile any local changes. Give it a moment, especially if you have a large mailbox or a slower connection. Watch the status bar. You should see indicators like updating this folder or synchronizing. When it finishes, your latest emails should appear. After completing these checks, fully closing Outlook, reviewing the focused and other tabs, clearing filters, returning to the View tab, and syncing, you should have a reliable, up-to-date inbox again. If you still don't see new messages, repeat the steps carefully and allow a little extra time for the sync to complete, particularly on big mailboxes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to your day with confidence.